Hey guys, it's your boys WoodSchool back with another video, and this time we're going to show you how to use this table saw. So first we're going to start off with the parts. This is the fence, that's the blade, this is to adjust the fence, and that's to adjust the height of the blade, and this is to adjust the angle of the blade.
Alright, so now what I'm going to show you is what not to do. What you don't want to do is set your blade too low compared to your wood. And what you also don't want is to have your blade way too high. This will put strain on the blade and on the machine, and it might cause it to seize. What you want is for it to be just above, like a 1/4 inch. This will ensure that your wood will pass through smoothly and the wood won't ride off. Another tip. When you put in the wood into the blade, you don't want to put it in sideways. This will cause a pinch in the wood and the blade and will cause it to flip off. This can hurt you and cause severe damage, even death. So, you want to set it nice and square against the fence. Then when you pass through, it will glide over it nicely and cut perfect. As well, you want to make sure that you're not right in front of your piece of wood. You want to try to be off to the side. That way if there is kickback, the piece will go by you, not at you. And a rule of thumb is to keep your hand far away from the piece of wood. You don't want to keep it too close because then you won't be able to see the blade. You want to keep it far enough so that you can slide the piece and not catch your fingers inside of it. When pushing a piece through, you want to ensure that your hand will not come in contact with the blade or anything close to the blade. If your thumb is out, you can accidentally cut it. That's why we have push sticks. Push sticks are to ensure that when you get close to the blade, you will be able to push it through and not get in contact. And a helpful tip, it's always good to have an anti-kickback tool. This is inserted inside of the machine. As you can see, there's a little slot here for the piece to slide in. Just simply put it in, and it clicks. This will help you not twist the piece while it's passing through.
Okay, I'm going to explain what to do with the table saw here. So first of all, you want to start with your material here and put it up against the knife, the blade. Right now, the blade is too low. You want the blade to be at least a 1/4 inch above the material. So I'm going to move that right now. Okay. That looks good right there. All right. Once you've got that all set in place, you have your fence. You can measure out whatever you're cutting your piece at. Right now we're going to cut ours at 4 inches. So you can use, there's a measuring tape on the fence itself. I'm going to use that to guide my cut. Okay, and then right here, this is to lock the fence into place. And that makes the fence parallel to the blade. So right now I have a flat base and a flat edge on my material here. You want the flat edge to be up against the face, and you want the flat face on the table itself. So right now, everything's smooth and it looks good. I got my measurement perfect, and I'm going to explain what to do when you get close to the blade. So when you get close to the blade, you want to keep your hand at least 6 inches away from the blade. Therefore, when you're putting it in, you stop. When you get right here, you stop and you grab your push stick. And once you get your push stick, you go all the way through with the cut. You have to go all the way past the blade. Otherwise, if it's stuck in between the material, there's still a chance for kickback. Okay? And that's why we stand to the side of the table. We don't stand right behind the material while it's cutting, because it would just be an awful mess. Alright? So I'm going to show you how to actually cut a piece. And yeah. So stand away from the blade before you even turn it on. Okay? blade. And that's how you cut a piece.
And you just got schooled!
Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.
We'll see you in the next video.